My name is Nico, and today I'll be showing you my Nerf collection, but it'll be my top 4 favorites. Here is a Star Wars blaster. It is a Stormtrooper's blaster. So right there. Then I have the Snap, the Slink and Fire, and you can see it. Holds up to 6 darts, holds up to 12 darts. The Mega holds up to 3 darts, and it's got a shooting range of around 50 feet. This is the Snap and Fire. It's a very powerful gun, holds up to 3 bullets. And just like the Mega, it can shoot up to 50 feet. Now we're moving on to my favorite attachments. Okay, my first is that back piece. You know, a lot of people like it. It goes to this gun right here, the Stormtrooper blaster. Then the scope. The scope is simple. It's not really, doesn't have anything in it. Not really that cool. And then we have the light. I call it the light, but you guys can call it the dot. I don't really care. Doesn't seem to be working right now. There we go. For attachments onto like the bottom or the top. So you can really attach to anything but that right there. Okay guys, I think that will be all. And also remember to hit the like button and subscribe.